Determine Rxx of tau is Sxx of omega is equal to 1 by 4 plus omega square whole square. So coming to the solution, given that the power spectral density is Sxx of omega is equal 1 by 4 plus omega square whole square. So find out the autocorrelation function. So now here in this power spectral density, and this denominator term can be arranged as 2 plus j omega into 2 minus j omega. So 2 plus j omega into 2 minus j omega, 2 square plus minus j omega square. So j square is minus 1, 4 plus omega square. So this 4 plus omega square is arranged as 2 plus j omega into 2 minus j omega. And that is equal, in the numerator term, can be considered 2 plus j omega plus 2 minus j omega. So minus j omega plus j omega is the cancel. The numerator term is 2. So and in the denominator term we have to consider 4. So therefore this RHS term can also be arranged as 2 plus j omega plus 2 minus j omega by 4 into 2 plus j omega 2 minus j omega and whole square. So 2 plus j omega by this denominator term is okay. 4 square is 1 by 16. 1 by 16 is written before. 2 plus j omega by denominator term is 1 by 2 minus j omega. 2 minus j omega by this denominator term. This denominator term means 2 plus j omega into 2 minus j omega is 1 by 2 plus j omega whole square. Now applying the a plus b whole square, 1 by 2 minus j omega whole square plus 1 by 2 plus j omega whole square plus 2 by 4 plus uh, 2 by 2 minus j omega into 2 plus j omega, 2 minus j omega into 2 plus j omega, 4 plus omega square. So taking inverse Fourier transform on both sides of the above equation, f inverse of LHS term is equal to f inverse of RHS term. So we know that the Fourier transform of t e power minus a t u of t is 1 by a plus j omega whole square. Fourier transform of t e power a t u of t is 1 by a minus j omega whole square. And Fourier transform of e power minus a mod tau is 2a by a square plus omega square. So using this standard expression, applying these standard expressions into RHS term of this equation, and f inverse of Sxx of omega is Rxx of tau 1 by 16 into f inverse of 1 by a plus j omega whole f inverse of 1 by a minus j omega whole square is t e power a t u of t. Now here a is 2, so tau into e power 2 tau u of tau plus f inverse of 1 by a plus j omega whole square is t into e power minus a t u of t. So now here a is 2, so tau into e power minus 2 tau u of tau plus, so using this equation 2a. So now here a value is 2, multiply numerator and denominator by 2, so 1 by 2 into 2a by 2 square plus omega square. Now here a is 2, using this expression 1 by 2 into e power minus 2 mod tau. Now here in this term, both the term tau is the common, take the common tau by 16 into e power 2 tau plus e power minus 2 tau into u of tau plus 1 by 16 into 1 by 2, 1 by 32 into e power minus 2 mod tau. Coming to the another example, obtain the autocorrelation function corresponding to the power density spectrum. Sxx of omega is equal 8 by 9 plus omega square whole square. So this is the previous examination question. So this example is similar to that of previous example. So this example also we can determine the same process of the previous example.